Hello.
Check it out! It's gotta be an antidote in here somewhere. Try this, Scoop. No? I'm okay.
Ludicrously intelligent! Thoughtful! Oh, I long for the blissful ignorance of my former self. Chasing cats, licking my own rear end, eating my own... Hush now, buffoon. This is a highly combustible synthesis.
What?
Going to transform us back! Almost destroyed us. Embarrassing.